world, Ryan here, sharing some thoughts from the road. Same job, different uniform. Load, locate, deliver, record, repeat. Hopefully, we learn something together, or at least kill some time. Loudon Heights Circle. Up here, Charleston runs out of flat ground and the streets start admitting it. The Heights neighborhoods of this city are a chapter that doesn't get told. When the river bottom filled up, the city climbed. From the 20s through the post-war years, Charleston grew up the ridges instead of out. And the streets up here are what that decision looks like 100 years later. The streets don't run in grids, they can't. The grade decided Loudon Heights Circle loops around the contour because that's the only honest way to build a street up here. Houses set into whichever side of the slope agreed to hold them. The trees are old, the lots are uneven. The views off some of these back porches are the best in the whole city, and nobody outside the neighborhood ever sees them because Loudon Heights isn't on the way to anywhere. It is a destination. Most people drive through Charleston without ever climbing the hill. I'm climbing it today. Thank you for riding with me. We are in this together. Keep going.